Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the camera timer on this device. Let's start by opening the camera app. To do it, tap this icon right here. Now, let's tap on this icon right here at the top, the one that says off on it. And here we have a few settings. First option is 2 seconds, second one is 5 seconds, and the last one is 10 seconds. Select the timing you like, for example 5 seconds, and when you press the shutter button to take the picture, the countdown will start, and after it's done, the picture will be taken. Like this. And that's how you turn on the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.